Our next topic is salary and commission. Let's say there are two partners X and Y and the firm has to pay salary to both the partners. Let's say there are two partners X and Y and the firm has to pay a salary of rupees 12,000 to X and a salary of rupees 10,000 to Y. Then we will directly write down in the profit and loss appropriation account in the debit side to salary and X 12,000 and Y 10,000. That means salary is payable for the whole year. If let's say this salary is only for 11 months, then you have to calculate for one more month and then you have to write it down. Same when we were doing in the sole proprietorship case, that is we have to calculate any of the adjustments for the whole year. If any of the expenses are given only of 5 months, then we were writing down their outstanding, prepaid or something. Same is the case here. That is you have to calculate for the whole year and then the remaining amount, remaining profit will be distributed among the partners. Let's say if this is not given to you in the question, direct the full year amount. Then let's say it is given X will be getting salary of rupees 1,000 per month. Then you have to calculate 1,000 into 12, that is 12,000, and that will be written in the profit and loss appropriation account, not directly rupees 1,000. That is, you don't have to maintain profit and loss appropriation account in the monthly basis. You have to prepare for the whole year. So all the adjustments will be done on the basis of the whole year. Next, let's say Y is getting a salary of rupees 2,000 per month. Then rupees 24,000 will be given as salary to Y. This is the only thing that we have to do in the case of salary. Our next adjustment is commission. Commission is also given to the partners. How will be calculating commission? If it is given in the question before charging commission and the second is after charging commission. We have already done these things in 11th standard in the chapter final accounts when there were so many adjustments. So when it is given to you before charging commission, then directly let's say always we know that commission is calculated on the net profit. Let's say net profit is given to you rupees 1 lakh and what I said, and the rate of commission will be given to you in the question. Let's say rate is given to you 10%, then we'll be calculating 10%. Sorry, it is written here. So 1,000 will be our net profit and rate of commission will be given to you 10%. So our commission amount will be 10,000. That will be given by the firm to the partners and will be written on the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account to commission, let's say X rupees 10,000. Again, if it is given to you in the question after charging commission, then let's say our profit is rupees 1,10,000 and rate of commission is 10%. Then 10 upon 100 plus rate, and rate was 10, that is amount would have been 1,10,000 into 10 upon 110. That is 10,000 rupees. Amount will not be the same in every cases. This time it should have been come. But in this way you have to calculate commission when it is before charging commission and when it is after charging commission. And both this amount will be written where? In the profit and loss appropriation account on the debit side, in the firm's account debit side, and in the partner's capital account on the credit side.